Here I am back again with another journal that I've made for a private swap. This is with a lady called Carol who has an Etsy shop. I think it's called Oak House Journals, but I will put the link underneath this video. I don't think she has a YouTube channel, but I liked the look of her journals, so asked if she wanted to swap, and she did. And this is what I've made for her, just a fairly straightforward a journal I've constructed with a hardback cover. It's got a hidden binding for signatures and is fabric covered chipboard. Done something a bit different on the book plate. This was bright gold, and I've embossed it with some sort of pink and gold embossing powder, and then I've sprayed it with an acrylic matte spray just to take some of the shine off it. I didn't want it too shiny. So this is Carol's book. So we've got a fabric snippet on the front there, and I've used various papers. I'm not sure who made this, scrapbook papers, tea stain papers, botanic papers, fabric pocket, just a little journal card in there. I've got some stenciling, I've got some fabric snippets and charms. I've put in lots of botanics in this, which is what Carol likes, I believe. Got some paper tabs as well with charms. Pockets with some postcard. Some book pages under a doily. That's a glassine bag tuck spot with the tag in there. Done a little collage on that pocket and some book page. The library card in this little pocket. Some tea stain paper with some lace pattern on there. And just really various book pages, my usual thing. This is from a vintage Flower Fairy book, which is very precious to me, but I am sharing bits of it slowly. This is from a bird book. Stenciling. Got an old envelope, 1963 or maybe 53. There's a bit more bird ephemera in there. Toadstool, and the last signature. So this is very much a journal to be used really and to be written in. There's another collage there with a book page. Another fabric snippet on this lace pocket, and a Flower Fairy card. It's from a more modern Flower Fairy book. This I did just to show you that you can. I messed this page up. This is the other side of. Which is the other side of. I think it's the other side of this page. I can't remember what I did now, but I did something on it that didn't work out, and I couldn't get it off. So the way I resolved that was to cut down the side here, and then I opened up this glassine bag and used double-sided tape on either side of this hinge to make a pocket, and I put two journal cards in there back to back, and I actually really like how that turned out. So there's hardly ever a mistake you can't put right or do something better with. Might do that again. So that's Carol's book. I hope you like it, Carol, and I'll be popping it in the post. Bye bye.